to Henry's show. Hi, I'm your friend Henry, and welcome back to Henry's show. We're going to continue Smart Phonics 1, Unit 3 Workbook GHI. G, H, I. Number 1, G. G. What do you think it is? A game. Game. G. Game. If we start with G, G, just write capital G, lowercase d, capital G, lowercase d. We have to write G 2 times. Now, what do you think it is? Fork. This is a fork. You can also write like that, capital F. This is F. You can see it. So, it's more good to write first before we circle it. Like this. F, capital F, lowercase f. Capital F, lowercase f. And then 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, everything will come about this. That means it's important. If this come a lot, it's important. This is a little tricky. We'll learn in Unit 1, A, B, C. It's good to watch Unit 1 first before we watch Unit 3. So it's more easy to learn alphabets. This is a bat. When we play baseball, we use bat. We have 2 meanings of bat. One meaning is of animal bat. Animal bat live in a cave. It lives in morning and afternoon. In evening, it wakes up. 2 meanings of bat, but we're learning this bat in Smart Phonics book. Let's circle. You have to write this 2 times. B. Number 4. What do you think? Hippo. Hippo. Hippo is H. My name starts with H. Henry. H. Number 5. An iguana. What do you think it is? Is this same? No. Is this same? No. This same? Yes. So this is an answer. Iguana. It sounds same. Iguana. What do you think? This is a first letter in the alphabet. Yes, alligator. How can we spell alligator? So that's why we're learning phonics. So we can sound the words and we can also spell. For example, alligator. Alligator. This A is a vowel. We have to say A. You don't need to know that now. You're learning in Phonics 3, Smart Phonics 3, okay? So also, it's easy to spell the words if you know the sound of alphabet letter. Now, alligator. It's hard to spell alligator. A. Do you think? Desk. Well done. Desk. Same. D. Now, what do you think? She is a girl. 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 We can sound it together. Girl. So it's easy to spell the words if you know the sound of it. If you finish learning phonics until phonics 5, your phonics level is great. After phonics, you're learning reading, how to read sentences with the words on it. Important word. Some of it is in a phonics word, I think. Good. G. Number 9. Egg. This is E. Egg. This is a cap. What do you think? C. Cat. K. Now let's go to page 17. D. Gorilla. What do you think? Let's write the capital letters because we have the capital here. What do you think I spell? Igloo. If I spell it, you have to spell. You have to follow me spelling the words. Now, what do you think? Is this same with this? No. It sounds different, and it don't spell same. So it's really incorrect. No. Is this correct? Yes. I sound. Hippo. Let's write roller case. Why do we need to write roller case? Because we have only roller case letters. You don't need to write, but it's easy. Mark this question if you write first. So, is this same? No. Is this same? Yes. This is capital. Cup. Are you following this? You have to follow it. Now, what do you think? Is this correct? Yes. Is this correct? No. It sounds different. So, it's incorrect. Number 5. Iguana. Is this correct? No. It's incorrect. It's correct. Yes, it's spelled same and it sounds same. Correct. Now this capital, so you have to write capital letter. If you don't know how to write some of the letters, but you can follow it. Now, what do you think? Correct. No. Good. No. It's incorrect. But this is game. Now, a hat. What do you think? Is this correct? It's spelled same and it sounds same. Now, in number 8, capital letters. And is this correct? Yes. No. No. Is correct, but is not correct. Now, what do you think? G. Is this start with G? No, it start with A. Is this start with G? Yes. Is this start with G? No. No. Sorry. Now. Okay, let's write first, okay? This is hand. This is fan. Bat. Cup. Elbow. Ink. Now, first, let's do number 2. Well, do start with H. Yes, this is correct. Incorrect. It don't start with H. Now, do they start with I? No. Do they start with I? No. Did it start with I? Yes. And it's important to know what capital and lowercase. Capital A and lowercase a is different. But some of them is same. Capital C and lowercase c is same. Right? Yes, the same. Just we have to write it smaller. So it's important how to spell capital and lowercase. Okay? Sometimes it's hard to tell how to write capital and lowercase if it is different. Almost every word is different. No, every letter is different. Now let's circle it. This start okay. This start with H. So there go these 2 words. This now is it correct? No. Is it correct? Yes. Now, is this correct? No. Is this correct? No. Is it correct? Yes. Is this correct? No. Is this correct? No. Wait, this is a book. It's correct? No, I told you it is not correct. Is it correct? Yes. Now, let's find lowercase b. What before we do it, we have another capital. Let's see if it is correct. Is this correct? No. Is this correct? No. Is this correct? Yes. Is this correct? No. No, it's number 4. Gorilla. Do you think is this correct? Yes, you always find it. Is this correct? No. Is this correct? No. Is this correct? Yes. Is this correct? No. Is this correct? No. It don't spell same. Now I know it is in middle of this sentence, but here go the beginning letters. Beginning means starting. What letters start in? This is really important. Alligator. There it is. This is alligator. Alligator. Is this correct? Yes. Is this correct? No. Is this correct? No. Is this correct? Yes. Is this correct? No. Is this correct? No. Is this correct? Wait. Is this correct? No. Is this correct? No. Is this correct? Yes. Is this correct? No. Is this correct? No. Is this correct? Yes. Elephant. Elephant. Is this correct? No. Is this correct? Yes. Is this correct? No. Is this correct? No. Is this correct? Yes. Is this correct? No. Let's move on to the next page. Great. Let's start with C. Let's write on it before we answer it. Yes, this is a hat. This is a fish. A game. Egg. Igloo. Capital H, lowercase h. You can follow it, but you have to write 2 times. Yes, you can only follow this. You have to write capital first. Now, first capital, lowercase. Now, capital, lowercase. Egg. Do you think what I am talking about? I. Now, you can draw. What starts with G? You can draw game. Okay, we have to write game. Let's label it. Label means that you can draw and write. Most names start with H. Only in this Smart Phonics letter. Hat. Well, let me start with I. Let's see. You can see there. I will also start with I. Let's try igloo. I'm smart, but I'm not good at drawing. That's igloo. You can draw much better than me. Now let's write. Let's write 5 times, okay? You have to write 5 more times. And then 8. When you write this, that's right there. I. I was right. GHI. That's right. 5 more times. GHI 2. GHI 3. GHI 4. GHI 5. GHI 1. GHI 2. GHI 3. GHI 4. GHI 5. Let's link and review. You have to write one more there. Only one more. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. We learned a lot. I'm really proud of you. Next time, we're going to learn Unit 4. J, K, L. J, K, L. Now see that you remember. If you don't remember, I started this review so you can remember again. We finished workbook Unit 3 today. See you soon. Bye.